So hello everyone. Today's question was best time to buy and sell the stock. So in this question we will be given an array, and in mathematical term we have to find the smallest number in that array and have to find the maximum number in that array after the occurrence of the minimum value. So for this question the approach would be like we will make an for loop, and in that for loop we will put an if. Like, before using for loop we will have to initialize two variables. The first one will be maximum value, the second variable would be maximum store. In maximum value we will be storing the maximum integer value, that means the maximum value which int can handle, and the maximum store will be equal to 0. So in the for loop will be iterated from 0 to the array's length minus 1. So let's consider the array is named as prices. So the for loop will iterate from 0 to prices dot length minus 1 with with post decrement. Okay, so in the for loop we will be using if condition. So the condition for the if would be if prices I is less than maximum value, then maximum value will be prices I square bracket I. So the this condition will be followed, like this condition will be always true until we find the minimum value of that array. Okay, so the first phase of the question is done here. So what is the second phase of this question? The second phase is that we have to find the maximum value after the occurrence of the minimum value. So after that we want the I value as it is, because we have found the minimum value at that index point. So we want to access the array ahead of that I value. So we will use else if condition, because we want to continue that for loop ahead. So we will use else if, and the condition for the else if would be such like that prices I minus the minimum value which we have found earlier in if condition is greater than max store. So initially max store value is 0, so any value which so the condition will be definitely 2, because considering max store value is initially 0, then until and unless it's less than negative the condition will be true. So we will get the maximum store. Like, this else if condition will iterate till the end of the array, and in end we will get the maximum value after the occurrence of the minimum value. Simple. And we will finally return the difference of maximum value after occurrence of minimum value minus the minimum value, and all the test case for that question will be passed. So this was the summary of the best time to buy and sell the stock. See you again. See you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.